What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1990 Chevrolet Corvette with the Greenwood kit on it. Really nice example of one of these cars. It runs and drives great, and it only has 10,000 miles on the odometer. Very clean car. The interior is in great shape. It has the glass targa top as well as the hard targa top. There's your tune port 350 engine. Let's go ahead and lower the hood. Just take a look at that. What a beauty this car is. You don't come across these very often. Let's go in the interior before I wrap this up. Nice charcoalish, grayish, whatever, with black. Power everything as these cars had. Somebody did put a aftermarket Kenwood radio in that has Bluetooth. Other than that, very factory and stock. There you go. 10,424 miles. Like I said, just a great example of one of these cars. And it runs and drives great. Tons of fun. If you want a C4 Corvette and you want a Greenwood Corvette, this is the one. It's got the original owner's manual, all the little booklets and all that special stuff we got with the car. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we have around 250 cars in stock. You can view our inventory at mgmclassiccars.com or give us a call at 847-848-1850 if you are interested in this 1990 Chevrolet Corvette or any of our other inventory. We offer special financing with great monthly payments, with shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. We get new cars in almost every day, so you're not going to want to miss a thing. Keep checking the website and keep checking the YouTube channel. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, all by appointment only. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only as well. Everyone have a great day, and I want to thank everyone for watching. Hopefully I can see you guys come out to Addison, Illinois, pick up the dream car that you want. And I want to see somebody leave with this 1990 Corvette. Remember, it looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.